Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to upload status by typing on WhatsApp. So friends, before we start the video, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the video. At first you have to move on WhatsApp. Then here on the upside you'll find the status here on the middle one. Okay, so click on it, and on the down you'll find the pencil. Okay, here is the pencil, on the upside the camera. Okay, near the camera, here click on it, and here is the type as status that you can type anything that you want to type and upload. Type as status. Okay, you can change the color. Just click on this icon and it will be change the color. Okay, and here is the type as status to type it. Okay, and you can set emojis also. You can set emojis by the on the keyboard side also. Okay, here also emojis, no, it has given from the WhatsApp, so you can take from any site and type it and click on upload. Here is the green tab, you will found it same. Okay, click on it and it will be upload. See, I click on it and it has been upload. See, the type status has been uploaded. Okay, here it's uploaded. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.